All right, you're going to tell us now about frizzy hair and what we can do for that. We've got a little video we're going to show, and the difference between the before and afters in the video to me is just remarkable. Tell us what we're doing here.
It's amazing. So this is like more than just a product recommendation. To me, this is a summertime PSA. If you are dealing with humidity, which I know you guys are, Color Wow's Dream Coat is going to be your best friend. It's super easy to use, and it's kind of like a mini keratin treatment that you can do at home. So you just spray all throughout wet hair and you just blow dry it into your hair, and it is texture transforming. It's going to add a ton of shine. It makes your strands super glossy and glass-like, and it repels all humidity. So it's really like a raincoat for the hair. Water will just bounce right off of it, and it really locks in your style no matter how humid it is outside. And it works as a great thermal protectant as well. This is truly my go-to product. I use it on all my celebrity girls.
All right, so it's called Dream Coat, right?
Dream Coat by Color Wow, and this is available at Sephora or colorwowhair.com.
Okay, so when you use it, do you have to do it every time you wash your hair?
So that's a great thing about it, Meryl, is that it's actually good for up to 3 washes. So it really lasts for a long time, but you just spray it. You use a really liberal amount. It's water-based. So people are a little scared that think it's gonna weigh their hair down or make it greasy. It doesn't at all. It's super light, and you just blow dry it in, and you'll be amazed at the difference in your hair texture.
And you just blow it dry as normal, right?
As normal. And then you can follow with any hair tools. So you don't have to make it super straight if you don't want to, but if you follow with a flat iron or curling iron thereafter, the heat really helps lock it in, and it's a great thermal protectant. So you'll just be amazed at the shine and how your hair feels without getting greasy at all. And it's not nearly as damaging as some of those long-term treatments like keratins or Brazilian blowouts that a lot of people do during the summer.
Well, it is a remarkable transformation. I can't wait to try it.